Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Madanrating, the first census town to attain MGNREGS. Drive safely to reach home happily is one of the slogans for Safe Journey. 187th that anniversary of O.T. Rot Singh's aim observed in Ribhoi district. And reasons for the delay in the functioning of nursing home centre at Bakmara. And now the news in detail. Today, the 16th of July 2022, Madanrating became the first census town to attain the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Present at the program were the local MDC Shri Latiplang Kharkongor, Srimati Isawanda Lalu, DC East Khasi Hills, BDOs and village elders of Madanrating.
Mission Gramim, Kaniru Kadai Gawai, Kalat Kabab Biantam, Banginyo, Bansna, Yaki, Pankana, Bansna, Yaki toilet, Lakalong Hapo Kashnong, Nelakalong Nabanta, Jonkilong Yen Long Sem, Gibam Don, Yakapankana Bobiang, Mut Lamba, Jonkani, Pinyo, Ya, Kita, Kijing Bantoy, Kibashikit, Namba Jonkani project.
Due to the surging rise of youth driving and riding four- and two-wheelers in the state, the Superintendent of Police once again conscientized the people to strictly adhere and follow to the rules and norms while driving. This initiative was taken in line with the Motor Act vehicle in order to avoid any unnecessary accidents and troubles on the road. While meeting with the SP S. Bamaniya, the Don Bosco Media Network gathered information and rules for the benefit and safety of the public in general. The traffic police, both in Shillong and Tura, are introducing new technologies to track down road defaulters who cause problems that bring chaos and traffic jams on the road. From now on, defaulters and rule breakers who frequently cause problems on the road will be recorded and add up against their vehicles, for which fines will also be added accordingly. The DTO will keep track the owners and drivers of such vehicles. Also, the two-wheelers riders are reminded to wear helmets while riding on the road. It is mandatory for vehicle driver and front passenger to fasten their safety belts while on the road. The SP also advised not to forget your driving license before jumping into the car for a driving trip.
Apart from that, in documentation part, I would like to say that when you are on the road, you should have valid driving license, then registration certificate of the vehicle, then permit of the vehicle, insurance of the vehicle. These are some of the documents that you should have when you drive the vehicle on the road. Apart from that, some of the things are there. If you are going on the bike, that there should not be more than 2 persons on the bike, one driver and one pillion rider, and both should wear the helmet. Not like that ki only one person should wear the helmet. In four-wheeler, both the passenger along with the driver and rider both should wear the seat belt. Then because if you are not wearing the seat belt, then it is also an offence in the MB Act.
As part of remembering the 187th that anniversary of O.T. Rot Singh's aim, one of the freedom fighters who fought against the British rule, today the 16th July 2022, the KSU Ribhoi district along with the authority of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya School, Nyangbari Ribhoi district conducted a small program in respect of O.T. Rot Singh's aim at the school premises. It may be noted that since the actual death anniversary falls on Sunday, hence it's preponed to 16 July. Present at the program were the school authorities, the KSU members and others.
Kinong yalang kita kibalik lalut ban pelat ya kena kasih persyak ya kita ki doyong ban ngitip bah kapor mensua bila kun persyak ba kita ki sipai British ba pu im teruk sing ulah turtma persyak iki ba persang manle da kibut kiba kumno ban pentlot bat ban yon ya keri kasih jungi bat umtang kata ulah penon kamrut da kita ki kharbangla lane da kibai pat ki doyong hakaba kakuman ka David na po ki sipai British katangi di berstu bagi jingilek jungi kamkut tang por hari hadu kena kisi selamat kiba mentah.
After receiving the complaint by social activists, Grenit Sangma on the non-functioning of the nursing home centre at Bakmara, South Garo Hills. The Joint Director and Superintendent of Health Services, Dr. Jacob, accompanied by his staff, made an on-the-spot inspection on July 16 to find out the problems for the closure and the delay in the reopening of the centre. This centre was closed from March 16 till date due to the dispute with the landowner, as the department has failed to keep its promise to provide employment to one of its family members. The district selection committee had not granted no objection certificate to the 10 vacancies which were filled up by the candidates backing up by political leaders. Now, village headmen and elders have demanded the out of the 10 posts, at least 3 should be appointed from the locality and surrounding villages. It is understood the Joint Director will take up the matter with the high authorities so that the centre will start functioning within a short time. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.